Okay, let's talk about a problem I know you've had. You've got a file on your computer, a photo, a doc, maybe a chunk of code, and you need it on your phone, like right now. No digging for cables, no waiting for cloud uploads. Well, today we're going to unlock a little secret that makes this whole process unbelievably simple.
You know the drill, right? You're working away on your laptop, and you just need to get that one PDF over to your phone so you can read it on the go. You could email it to yourself or upload it to Google Drive, but isn't there a faster way? A way to do it instantly with zero fuss? Oh yeah, there is. And that's exactly what we're about to solve.
So what's the big secret? Well, it's elegant, it's powerful, and here's the best part, it's almost certainly already installed on your computer. We're going to tap into a hidden gem tucked away inside the Python programming language that can turn any folder into its own mini web server, just for you.
Let's meet the star of the show, http.server. Now, this isn't some complicated piece of software you have to go download. It's a module that comes standard with Python 3. Just think of it like an instant pop-up web server in a box, ready to go whenever you are. No need to install anything, it's just there. And this is honestly why it's such a game changer. It just cuts out all the usual steps. You don't need some special file sharing app on your phone. You're not waiting for files to upload to the internet and then download again on another device. It just works. It literally turns any folder you want into an instant, private, shareable little website. All right, enough talk. How do we actually pull this off? It is so much easier than you think. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your very own local file server up and running in, I don't know, less than a minute.
It really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Seriously. Step 1, you fire up your command prompt or terminal. Step 2, you use the cd command to move into the exact folder that has the files you want to share. And step 3, you type one single command to bring the whole thing to life. Let's see it.
And this right here. This is the magic spell. You type Python, then the little -m flag just tells it to run a module. The module we're running is, of course, http.server. And that 8000 at the end, that's just the port number we're using. You could change it to 8080 or something else, but 8000 is a perfect place to start.
So you type that command, you hit enter, and boom, you should see this message pop up. This is your confirmation. It's working. That 0.0.0.0 part just means it's listening for connections from any device on your local network. Your server is officially live. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay, so your server's running, but how do your other devices actually find it? Well, they need your computer's local IP address. So you're going to open up a new terminal window, don't close the server one, and just type the command for your system. Look for the IPv4 address. It'll probably start with something like 192.168. Go ahead and jot that number down.
All right, we have our server running, we have our IP address. Now for the fun part, grabbing those files on your phone. The most important thing here, make sure your phone is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your computer. This whole thing only works locally. So let's build the web address you're going to need. The very first part is that IP address you just found. Now, we're using a super common example here, but yours is going to be unique to your computer on your network right now. And the second piece of the puzzle is the port number. Remember that number from our magic command? You just add it right to the end of the IP address, but you put a colon in between them. This tells your phone exactly which door to knock on to find the server on your computer. And now, we just put it all together. Open up any web browser you want on your phone, Safari, Chrome, whatever, and in the address bar, you type http:/, then your computer's IP, a colon, and the port number. Hit go, and you'll see a simple little web page listing every single file in that folder ready for you to tap and download. It's that easy. Now, before you run off and start sharing everything, we have to cover a few really important ground rules. This tool is awesome, but you gotta use it smartly, and more importantly, safely. Okay, listen up, because this first one is crucial. This is a very simple server, which means it is not encrypted. So please only use this on a Wi-Fi network you trust, like your home network. Never on public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. Got it? Cool. When you're all done, just go back to that terminal window and press Ctrl+C to shut it all down. And hey, if you ever find that port 8000 is already being used by something else, no big deal. Just pick a different number, like 8080. And that's really it. A fully functional local file server launched with a single command. It kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other incredibly powerful and useful tools are already built into the computers we use every single day, just sitting there waiting for us to find them?